Evening to one and all present here. Welcome to the Odyssey, the charter installation of Rotaract Club of Palmville, RID 3190. Odyssey is a long journey, marked with lots of changes and fortune. We hope that our Odyssey helps us bring fortune to all the lives we impact. I request Rotarian Soumitra Ghosh, President of Rotary Bangalore Palmville, to call the meeting to order.
Thank you, Ritika. I hereby call the meeting to order.
Thank you, sir. Before we begin the ceremony, I would like to state the four-way test of Rotary. The four-way test of the things we think, say, or do. Is it the truth? Number one. Number two, is it fair to all concerned? Number three, will it build goodwill and better friendships? And number four, will it be beneficial to all concerned? I now request Rotarian Ricky Srivastava, the Youth Service Director of Rotary Bangalore Palmville, give the welcome.
Thank you, Ritika. Good evening, ladies and gentlemen. A warm welcome from the members of Rotary and Rotaract Palmville. I cordially welcome President of Rotary Bangalore Palmville, Rotarian Soumitra Ghosh, District 3190 YSD Rotarian Krishna B. Marianka, District Rotaract Committee Chairman Rotarian Jayachandra Aradhya, DRR Rajvamshi, and dignitaries from the district to the charter installation of the Rotaract Club of Palmville. It's an honor to also welcome Rotarian Ritesh Goyal, Assistant Governor of RID 3190 as our chief guest for the evening. A warm welcome to all our near and dear Rotary and Rotaract clubs within 3190 and internationally for attending this special occasion. Rotaract Palmville began its journey with its inception in June 2020, being co-founded by former Interactors turned Rotaractors, Rotaractor Rishabh Rajiv and Rotaractor Kaushik Reddy. The club follows the ideology, it was founded with the ideology of being the chakra, meaning that each member of Rotaract Palmville will imbibe the following four core values of being dynamic, being selfless, being ethical, and being compassionate. This ideology value system lies at the heart of the club and is key to the personality of each member. By being the chakra or the wheel of excellence, the new team aims to progress in a dynamic fashion, reach great heights, and set benchmark standards. The club motto was creatively framed to be believe, empower, and reform. At the heart of this club motto is to believe that we can bring about impactful changes, to empower each other and be an enabler to succeed in bringing about significant contributions to the society, and finally to reform in order to make the world a better place. Thank you.
Thank you for such a detailed and much appreciated introduction of our club, ma'am. Please do introduce the charter president of our club as well.
Rotaractor Kaushik, being keen on aiding the underprivileged and having a drive to be a part of helping make the world a better place, started off his journey in social service through the Interact Club of Palmville in 2018. He is a computer engineer, computer science engineer from PESIT South Campus batch of 2020 and is to start working at ABB India Limited soon. He has a forte for marketing, is very friendly, kind, and goes to great lengths to ensure team coordination and timely implementation of projects. He is a very loquacious and person and loves to indulge himself in all kinds of conversations. He loves teaching the underprivileged and has done so at Teach for India for 8 months in the year of 2018. His hobbies include the love to travel, experiencing delicacies, indoor and team sports, and has also played state-level table tennis during his schooling. He hopes to inculcate the will and fun behind teaching into others who work with him. I know for a fact that he will guide the team of Rotaract Palmville to set, achieve, and create milestones while promoting the global motto of service above self through his selfless nature. I request Rotarian Soumitra Ghosh, President of Rotary Palmville, to induct Rotaractor Kaushik Reddy as the Charter President of Rotaract Palmville for the year 2020-21.
Hey Kaushik, I am delighted to induct you as a member as well as the charter president for this Rotaract Club. I guess you fully understand that you are getting into a big job, but I'm very confident that you will come out with flying colors. Here's wishing you all the very best.
Thank you, Rotarian Soumitra Ghosh, for inducting me, and thank you, Rotarian Rinki Srivastava, for that wonderful introduction. Before I begin my acceptance speech, I would like to recognize the presence of ZRR for our zone Chalukya, Rotaract Trinity SU. Thank you for being here. Thank you for helping me set up this date. Thank you for helping me plan this day out prior to this day. Thank you. Okay, I'll start off. Good evening, everyone. It's truly an honor and a privilege to serve as a charter president of Rotaract Palmville for the year 2020-21 and build upon the tremendous progress that we have achieved in the past few months. To my BOD and the members of Rotaract Palmville, thank you for joining me. I look forward to your support and to achieve all that we undertake. I also thank Rotary Palmville and the Rotarians for their guidance and support in setting up this club. Now, I would like to glimpse through what we have achieved in the past few months. Rotaractor Nihar, if you could play the video.
Let's start with our club service projects. First up, we have the Marvel quiz, the Inter-Rota quiz, and the movie quiz. Here at Rotaract Palmville, we love bonding and having interactions not only amongst members of our own club, but also with members of other Rotaract clubs. Therefore, as a stress buster, we organized 3 quizzes in the month of July and August. These quizzes were enjoyed by each and every attendee as it helped them get over the lockdown frenzy. And all of us still talk about how much fun we had. Next up, we have the Tambola event, which was organized by Rotaract Palmville as a fundraising event and a source of entertainment to the participants. The event was a big success that saw participation from various Rotary and Rotaract clubs as well as other people from the community. Next up, we have the musical evening event, the purpose of which was to thank our parent club Rotary Palmville for guiding us in establishing Rotaract Palmville. The event left everyone feeling happy and appreciated. Next up, we have the Independence Day event, which was held virtually for family and friends of Rotaract Palmville, Interact Palmville, and Rotary Palmville.
Coming to our community service projects, our first project is COVID video. The team of Rotaract Palmville prepared and launched a safety awareness video in Kannada so that the masses of Karnataka are aware of how they can be safe through simple hygiene practices. This is a WINS initiative of the team. We hope the video gets maximum reach and that the population stays safe and stays healthy. Want not, waste not. This session was conducted by Dr. Bhavna Bhargava to discuss various methods of composting, the issues involved, remedies, and bioenzymes. This project helped us spread awareness about the benefits of environment-friendly practices in the community and taught the community the art of sustainable, eco-friendly living. Mental health awareness. We organized a talk by Professor Ramaswamy, a renowned corporate stress consultant from the Mindcare organization UK. And he focused on the removal of negativity and the need for the flow of positive energy through the body. Sona Halipura donation. In a joint project with Rotaract Club of Indranagar, Rotaract Club of Palmville provided a village of 1500 people of Sona Halipura with soaps and masks and spread awareness about maintaining hygiene in these difficult times. These villagers are predominantly employed in agriculture and have been acutely affected by the pandemic. With little to no profits coming through farming, buying hygiene essentials is the least of their priorities. PBMP ward donation. We utilized the funds that we collected from our projects in the professional service domain. The thought was to donate a set of masks, sanitizers and juice packs to 158 BBMP ward workers. The workers consisted of 100 Pura Karmikas, 29 auto drivers and 29 helpers to help them out during their day. Care for traffic police. Our traffic police are the frontline workers who, irrespective of the situation, have to report to work daily. For without them, there would be chaos. The team of Rotaract Palmville distributed masks, sanitizers and energy drinks to 36 traffic policemen in the Sajapur and Belandur areas of Bangalore to ensure they are safe and energized during their daily rounds. Assisting the elderly with Inayat. Inayat is a project to aid elderly, and we at Rotaract Palmville have partnered with them to provide the senior citizens of communities with useful information, interactive activities, and entertainment on weekends. We have organized 2 events for them so far and are planning more.
Next, let's move to our professional development projects. First up, we have the finance workshop. As our first professional development workshop, we hosted an online workshop on the art of making money for people of all age groups from the community. We had a professional instructor, Nikhil Sivadas, conducting the workshop and teaching us how to play the market effectively and guiding us through topics ranging from the lay of the land of finance to analysis and investing of stocks. The next one is engaging children during work from home. Miss Usha Iyer, who is a seasoned educator with over 37 years of experience and also a mother of 3, guided parents on how to engage their children during this pandemic. She covered topics such as dimensions of parenting, child psychology, and addressed most of the common issues which parents face.
And lastly, our international service projects. Rakhis with Khakis. Our first international service project was done in collaboration with the Rotaract Club of Barasat Central, RID 3291, as a token of appreciation towards the policemen. Our team from Rotaract Palmville tied Rakhis on the occasion of Raksha Bandhan and distributed masks and energy drinks to 48 policemen in the Belandur and HSR police stations to ensure their safety and hydration levels are up to the mark during this pandemic.
Thank you, Nihar. I'd like to acknowledge the presence of few presidents and secretaries with us today. Rotractor Lavanya, President of Rotaract Club of Bangalore Sheshadipuram. Rotractor Rahul, President of Rotaract Club of AIMS. Rotractor Pramod, President of Rotaract Orion. Vice President Rotaract Samath of Rotaract BIT. Secretaries Rotaract Riddhi and of RC Platinum City. Rotractor Jennifer of Rotaract CMR. President Rotaract Manjula from RC Government First Grade College for Women, and also Rotaract Akshay from Rotaract Club of Indranagar. And also a very huge thanks to Rotractor, our District Secretary Arun for joining us today. Thank you. Kaushik, you will continue.
Okay. As you all saw in the video, we've impacted almost 2,000 lives and connected with many other Rotaract clubs while doing so. This year, I would like to focus on literacy events while partnering with orphanages and schools. Along with that, I also hope to create and maintain relationships with special homes where we hope to provide help in ways more than money. I would now like to run you all through our plan for the year. Starting with club service, we plan to expand our reach in terms of clubs and contacts in our district by holding more fellowships and club meets. To do so, we wish to launch our project, Project Igor. The idea is to collaborate with at least one new Rotaract club every month to hold a club service event. Moving on to community service. As a charter club, we aim to conduct projects in 4 domains of community service, which are literacy, WINS, MHM, and Hasiru, to provide a strong foundation for the following years of Rotaract Palmville to progress on. We have also undertaken a project named Inayat, where we provide fun and entertainment to the elderly monthly, and we hope to maintain it. Coming to international service, we plan to increase our reach globally through letterhead exchanges and collaboration events. We will be launching our project Atlas, where we aim to conduct at least one event in collaboration with one international club from every continent. Through this, we aim to create long-lasting relationships and connections globally to hold more impactful projects. Lastly, in professional development, we plan to target different age groups of people, help them learn a certain skill which could help them professionally and in their daily routines. For our large-scale project, we present to you the Project ZAR. The ZAR aims to bring out the inner leader in every entrepreneur by providing them an opportunity to present their innovations in front of the industry's brightest and biggest. I would now like to introduce our board of directors for the year. Starting with our charter secretary, Rotaractor Ayappa. He is a computer science from the PESIT with a passion for business analytics. He is also an extremely focused individual with excellent organizational skills. He is also an entrepreneur who has recently launched an initiative for diagnosing learning disorders in young children.
Thank you so much, President Kaushik.
Now next, our club advisor, Rotaractor Rishabh Rajiv. He is a mechanical engineering graduate from MSRIT. He is hardworking, organized, dynamic, and dedicated towards bringing change to society. He loves working with children, orphanages, and supporting underprivileged people.
Thank you, Rotractor Kaushik. Thank you.
Our treasurer, Rotractor Anirudh Goel, he is currently pursuing his Bachelor's of Business Administration at Christ University. He has an interest in Formula One and enjoys cycling. He is also an avid fester. We'll move on. Our joint treasurer, Rotractor Ritika Srivastava, she's currently pursuing her BBA in finance at SJCC. She has an avid interest in baking, reading, painting, traveling, and loves to play the piano. She believes in body positivity and works out to stay healthy and happy. She is also our literacy committee representative for the year.
Thank you, President Kaushik.
Our club service director, Rotractor Priya Srinivas, she's currently pursuing fashion design at Istituto Marangoni. She's a freelance graphic designer and an artist. She enjoys theater and painting. She is currently interning with a designer and has developed and designed a clothing and a jewelry line. She also has she's also an avid reader and loves to sew. We'll move to the next. Our community service director, Rotractor Rufina Flora, she's an electronics and communication engineering graduate from PES University, currently working as a graduate engineering training at Schneider Electric. In her free time, she likes to draw, paint, and play the piano or the guitar. She is also our Hasidu representative for the year.
Thank you, President Kaushik.
Our international service director, Rotractor Pragna Prasanna. She is a computer science graduate from PS University, Bangalore, and currently working as an engineering analyst in Goldman Sachs. She is also a state level cricketer and has represented Karnataka in various interstate and national level tournaments.
Thank you, President Kaushik.
Dr. Nihar, can you change the slide, please?
Yeah, I'm trying. Give me a moment.
Our professional development director, Rotractor Nihar Chandavarkar, he's a final year student pursuing BTech from MSRIT. He has developed Jungyan, a kids education and Android app, and is currently working on behavior analysis of autistic children. His major goal as a technical student is to help society with his skills. He is also an avid chess player and loves to travel.
Thank you, President Kaushik.
The next one.
One minute, I think there's an issue here.
Yeah, would you like Rufina to share?
Let's try one more time, and if it doesn't work out, then yeah.
Yeah, sure. Coming to our Director of Public Relations, Rotractor Tarshi Kothari. She's currently in her third year of college, finishing her bachelor's degree in applied statistics and analytics. She's extremely concise, is very precise with her work, and is also very open to trying new things. She also plays the guitar and is a classic rock aficionado.
Thank you, President Kaushik.
Our club editor, Rotractor Chak Malhotra, She's currently pursuing a BBA in Finance and Accountancy at St. Joseph's College of Commerce. She has conducted several distributions for charity and derives immense joy from such work, which is one of her main reasons why one of her favorite hobbies is portrait photography, where she can see the art in people from behind her lens. Apart from photography, she loves to read and enjoys playing around with makeup.
Thank you, President.
Our next club editor, Protractor Manaya Pushkarna. She's currently pursuing her second year of BBA degree at Christ University, seeking to specialize in marketing. She loves to paint, draw, and to get involved in work that requires creative bent of mind. She's also a huge animal lover and loves nature.
Thank you, Protractor Kaushik.
I now request Rotary Pambil President Sumitra Ghosh to the Board of Directors of Rotaract Pambil for the year 2020-21.
It's again my pleasure to induct each one of you as members as well as the board of this Rotaract Club. You know, again, as I mentioned in case of your president, I assume each one of you understand that you are getting into very, very important jobs. In fact, you know, if I treat Kaushik as the Prime Minister, you guys are his cabinet ministers, right? So unless and until each one of you deliver, right, Kaushik won't be successful. You know, please understand that you are carrying huge amount of responsibility, and I'm sure you will deliver your goods. So all the best from my side.
Thank you, sir, for those kind words. We'll definitely try our best. Now, in the presence of the DRR, Protractor Rajvamshi, I request Secretary Ayappa to introduce our members for the year. Ayappa?
Can you hear me now?
Yes.
Thank you, President Kaushik, for this brief introductions of the Board of Directors. I, Secretary Ayappa, will move on to introduce our members. First, we have Protractor Jash Shah. He is currently pursuing his bachelor's degree in mechanical engineering. He has very curious nature and was part of the aeromodeling club, where he played a major role in building an RC aircraft. He is currently working with a racing team to design and build an electric racing car. He's also the WINS committee representative for our club.
Thank you, Protractor Ayappa.
Can we have the next slide? Yeah. Nihar, can we have the next slide? Are you there, Nihar? Okay, I think Nihar is having some issue. Rufina, can you take over?
Just a minute.
Yeah. Also, I think Anirudh and Priya are here right now, so I think you missed out on the previous induction. So you can thank the president and our Rotary president right now.
Sorry about that. Thank you, President Kaushik.
Thank you, Kaushik, Protractor Kaushik.
Okay, next we have Rufina. Can you present this? Next we have Protractor Sakshi Goel. She's currently pursuing a final year in computer science and engineering at PES University. Apart from her academics, she has a great passion for the game of basketball, enjoys trekking and nature walks. She's always eager to learn, understand new cultures and languages, and is a fitness enthusiast, and is an avid reader too. She is our MHM representative, a committee representative.
Thank you, Secretary Ayappa.
Can we have the next slide, Rufina?
Can you guys see it?
Yeah, can we have the next slide? Yeah.
Yeah. Ayappa, can you see it?
Yeah, no.
Right now.
We are still in Sakshi slide.
Can you see it now?
No.
No.
It's sharing again. Now?
It is. Yes.
Yes, no. Okay. Next, we have protractor C.N. John. She's currently studying her business administration at New Horizon. Her interests include football and dancing. She also makes videos every week for her YouTube channel and likes to take part in charity, sports, and music events that help her socialize with others. Welcome, protractor C.N. John.
Thank you, Rotractor Ayappa.
Next, we have protractor Rajat Srivastava. He completed his engineering from HSC Mysore and is currently working in Cisco. He enjoys playing video games and likes to read, travel, and sketch. He is fond of both playing and listening to music.
Thank you, Secretary Ayappa.
Next, we have a newest member, Protractor Trisha Sultania. She recently graduated with a BBA degree from Christ University and is currently pursuing a diploma in finance at St. Joseph. She's also a fresher at Wells Fargo as a financial crime specialist. She loves doing yoga, dancing, and cooking. She's always up for constructive discussion and is extremely inquisitive and is eager to experience new things. Welcome, Protractor Trisha.
Thank you, Rotractor Ayappa.
I now request the District Rotract representative of RID 3190, Rotractor Raj Vamshi, to induct the members of Rotract Palmer for the year 2020-21.
Am I audible?
Yeah. Yes, Raj.
So
Yes, Raj.
I hereby induct all the new members to Rotract Club of Palmville. Congratulations, all the best. You have done the right choice for joining one of the dynamic movement Rotract. Kudos to you guys. Good luck.
On behalf of Rotract, thank you so much, Raj.
Thank you so much, sir. I now request President Kaushik to launch the letterhead of the club.
Thank you, Ritika. In the presence of the DRR, Rajvamshi, we would like to launch our letterhead for the year. We hope the letterhead will assist us to build bonds with clubs in and out of our district. Rafina, can you launch the letterhead, please? Thank you. Back to you, Ritika.
Thank you, President Kaushik. Now I request Secretary Ayappa to introduce DRR Rajvamshi to the gathering.
Thank you, Ritika. I would now introduce our district Rotract representative, Rotractor Raj Vamshi. He hails from Chintamani and has a degree in engineering from RB College of Engineering. He is currently working as a freelance jewelry designer and gemologist and is also pursuing diploma in jewelry design. Rotractor Raj Vamshi began his Rotract journey as a professional development director in Rotract Club of RBC 2014-15, during which he was bestowed with the Rotractor Behind the Scenes Award. He joined Rotractor Bangalore West and became the 40th president in the year 2017-2018. During his presidential term, the club won 16 district awards and 5 district recognitions. He was awarded the Best President Award of Rotract 3190 the same year. During the year 2018-19, he held the post as Zonal Rotract Representative for the Zone Ruby and was bestowed the award of Outstanding Executive Council Member in the same year. I now request DRR Rajvamshi to address the gathering.
Thank you for that introduction, Ayappa. So, good evening to all the people present on the call. Chief guest, Assistant Governor Rotarian Ritesh sir, President of Rotary Bangalore, Palmville, Rotarian Sumitra Ghosh sir, Youth Service Director of Rotary Palmville, Rinki ma'am, and my dear Rotractors from Palmville and other Rotract Club members present here. So, first of all, congratulations on taking over as the responsibility of all the, taking roles and responsibilities of a new charter club. So, I actually, when before I had a conversation with any of your Rotractor, I used to follow your social media handle. and I was quite impressed. I mean, a charter club knowing so much about Rotaract and doing so many projects already. And I was always surprised. Until unless I had my first conversation with Rishabh, I never knew you people are continuing from Interact to Rotaract. So the Interact movement has already groomed you very well, and have been doing amazing projects already within what maybe 2 to 3 months. And congratulations again, the way you people are I mean organizing events and thing. Seriously, you people are from a charter club. I don't believe it. See, it's been just 2.5 months, and you have been reporting, you have been sending articles for our newsletter, The Elite. You have been quite active, and the kind of projects what you have already taken up is so great. uh, the right thing what you have chosen is you people are firmly looking at making an impact. So that's something most of the clubs might take to understand their importance. So I'm quite happy to see you all focused on impact, because guys, that is the major and most important thing always. Proud to see you all in a very good uh, intentions and right path, I could say. And special mention your COVID-19 awareness video in Kannada. That was something most of the people appreciated when I shared it across, because we do get a lot of the awareness videos in English, but Kannada, that's something people hadn't expected, and it was quite helpful. Uh, as you rightly mentioned, to make the people, the local people here, understand about the awareness, Kannada video was much needed. Kudos to you guys for thinking out of the box. That's what is required. And special mention from Vince committee. They were quite excited to see that Kannada video. Good job on that. Keep trying things differently is what I would like to suggest. And when you presented your projects that you have done till now, it's a very creative way to the way of presenting, giving a voiceover in the video and presenting the things. Good job. You people are quite smart, and I mean, very unique ways you people are trying. Keep it up. See, whenever people are appreciating you or telling you things that this is good, you know what the greatest challenge is? To ensure you continue doing this. As a charter club, lay this perfect foundation so that coming leaders can easily follow the path that you have laid, is what I would suggest. That is one challenging thing for every charter club. Ensure you lay a strong foundation and show the way forward, I would say. And your initiatives such as Atlas and all those things, you're gonna get some surprises from district also, wherein you can reach out to other country Rotaract clubs. So wait and watch for the upcoming newsletter. You'll get to know what it is about. And special mention, thanks to John Bruno sir for initiating this Rotaract club. Then I mean, I should mention this. Your youth service director, Rinki ma'am, she has always been supportive. This I have not heard from any of you, but the way she shares across all your projects in youth service director groups and tries to promote your projects itself shows how much how much supportive she is. Thank you so much, ma'am, and continue doing this, and keep up your good work, guys. That's the most challenging part. Whatever you're doing, keep up the momentum going on. So that should be your main focus. Regardless of saying any help, any guidance, anything that you want, feel free to ask your ZRs, the secretariat. You can reach out to me, anyone for that matter. We are definitely gonna support you in whichever way possible. Let's involve, innovate, and impact for a better tomorrow. Congratulations again, Kaushik and Ayappa, Elite Presidents and Secretary, on your charter installation. Keep up the good work. Congratulations again. Thank you.
Thank you so much, TRR Raj, for those kind words. So you supported us a lot during the beginning. Whenever we wanted to call you, you were always there for us. So I like the fact that you're always open to doubts, questions, or anything. So thank you so much for the support, and hope for the support to continue in the future. Next, we have the DRCC, Rotarian Jaychandra Arya sir. He is currently not present right now, but we would like to thank him for his support. Can we go to the next slide? Also, next we have a Rotarian Krishna P. Marianka, who is the artist TYST. I would like to thank him so much for his support, who is also currently not there right now. It's his birthday today, so I'm pretty sure he must be celebrating it. So thank you, virtually, thank you for your support. Can we go to the next slide? Yeah, okay. Next is, I would like to introduce our chief guest for today, Assistant Governor of our district, 3190, Rotarian Ritesh Goyal sir. He was born in a small town named Sivasagar in the state of Assam. He graduated from Delhi University in economics. As a student, Rotarian Ritesh Goyal was very active and closely associated with various social and student organizations like All Assam Students Union, Northeast Students Federation, Akhil Bharatiya Vidyarthi Parishad, Assam Association Delhi, Purvanchal Parishad Delhi. He currently runs a design and decor, a turnkey interior solutions company, and Surf and Snooze, a startup in shared living sector. He became the president of Rotary Bangalore Palmal in 2018-19 and also won the best award in the district that year. Rotary Palmal, under his presidency, has added many other feathers to its cap. Few of them are Every Rotarian Every Year Award, second highest membership development in the district, highest Rotary Foundation contribution in the district in its club category, launch of flagship project Pink Express, and 4 Paul Harris Fellowships. I now request AG Ritesh Goyal sir to address the gathering.
Thank you, Ayappa, for an awesome description. I now feel a lot better about myself. So, good evening, everyone.
Good evening, sir.
District Youth Service Director and my good friend, Rotarian Krishna Marianka. Not sure if he has joined. I think he's not there. District Rotary Committee Chairman, Rotarian Jaychandra Aradhya. Has he joined?
No.
No, okay. President, Rotary Palmville, Rotarian Soumitra Ghosh. Youth Service Director, Rotarian Rinki Srivastava. District Rotary Representative, Rotarian Rotractor Raj Vamsi. A champion himself. I saw a very nice smile in your photo. Keep it up, buddy. Charter President, Rotractor Kaushik Reddy. Charter Secretary, Rotractor Ayappa. Charter Treasurer, Rotractor Anirudh Goyal. District officials, my club members, aunts and aunts, Rotractors, interactors, girls and boys. First, the heartiest congratulations to Charter President Kaushik and other Rotractors for the new Rotract Club of Bangalore Palmville. I would like to congratulate Youth Service Director Rinki Srivastava and President Soumitra Ghosh for making efforts to start this Rotract Club today. Also like to thank my good friend Rishabh Rajiv, who has put in a lot of efforts in making this Rotract Club a reality. He is the co-founder of this Rotract Club, but for some personal and family reasons could not accept the role of Charter President today. But I was told that he will keep on advising the club as club advisor. Thanks, Rishabh, for taking it up. Very impressive projects done so far, and the list of prospective projects are also very impressive and looks very effective and impactful. It appears that in spite of the pandemic, you have done so many impressive projects already. During this pandemic time, when most of the clubs are in the back foot, you have come in the front foot and did many impactful projects. Hats off to the Youth Brigade of Rotract Palmville. You should all feel proud about yourselves. Today, I would speak about the ups and downs of life and importance of helping others. So I'm going to speak on two subjects. One is ups and downs in life and the importance of helping others. I feel young myself when I am with the youth, and today, without caring much for Rotary protocols, I am dressed like a teenager in a t-shirt and shorts. I'm sure everybody understands Hindi, as I normally add few couplets or sayari in Hindi in my speech. Clay in the hands of a good potter suffers so many good turns, but in the end we see its real and true shape and form. Sunshine is beautiful when it's after a rain. If it's sunshine every day, then it starts burning you. So we need both rain and sunshine in our lives to value their importance and welcome rainbows in our lives. There's a famous song by the famous Mr. Amitabh Bachchan, who has sung this song himself. It says, "Kitne baaju, kitne sar, गिल्ले दुश्मन ध्यान से, हारेगा वो हर बाजी जब खेले हम जी जान से." So today's youth doesn't know how to fail. They only know to put in hard work and succeed in life. So never give up in life. Always put in more efforts, and I'm sure you will all succeed in life. So it's not the death that we should fear. What we should fear, never beginning to live. We must have seen the monitor in the hospital, and that shows, and is showed in many movies also. When someone dies, the lifeline is a straight line like this. But when alive, our lifeline does this ups and downs. Notice how it connects with our real experience of life. Life is full of ups and downs. It means you are alive. Twists and turns, love and loss, happiness and sadness, success and failure. We experience extreme highs, peaks, and summits, and at the same time experience the pros and lows. This is part of life. During your education, professional life, etc., you will face a lot of ups and downs, but these are integral part of everybody's life. I'm sure everybody rides a bicycle. When you feel less pressure in bicycle's tire, what you do? You feel more air and start riding it again. Life is also the same. Whenever you feel low, feel more air and start living again. You know, life is kind of, like one big crazy roller coaster. It starts slowly, fills you with anticipation and curiosity, takes you up, and then sends you flying down, only to rise up quickly again. We laugh until it hurts. We cry inside a little, experience a few moments where we want it to stop and hope it's all over, but it just keeps going. Sometimes we think that success is linear, an upward line. Trust me, there is literally no case study for that. Everyone we admire has ups and downs. Your body mostly replaces itself every 7 to 15 years. The organs that work the hardest have the fastest changeover. You get a whole new skin every 2 to 4 weeks. Your red blood cells last less than half a year, and your liver renews itself at least once every couple of years. That means the universe is always changing. We are always changing, but we want to remain the same. That is the mistake we do. We settle for security, not recognizing that a flat lifeline means we are dead. Friends, real life is ups and downs. Death look like this straight line. Every time I see that, I remind myself, a zigzag line that is ups and downs is living. A straight line isn't. In the journey of life, we pass pleasure and pain. There will be sunshine and rain. There will be loss and gain. But we must learn to move forward again and again. Don't judge the moment. Don't try to hang on, because it will keep pushing you forward. And remember, today, if you are healthy, you are happier than the 1 million people that will not survive this week. if there is food in your fridge, shoes on your feet, clothes on your body, a bed to sleep on, and a roof over your head, you are richer than 75% of people in the world. And if you have a bank account, money in your wallet, or a purse, or coins in a jar, you are in the top 8% of the world's wealthiest. We cannot avoid the ups and downs, but we can change the way we see them. Because as the famous Venn Dyer said, when we change the way we look at things, the things we look at change. So change is an integral part of our life. We should not get scared of the ups and downs, rather we should get motivated by the ups and downs of life and keep moving. I would like to give you or share with you names of few very successful individuals. They don't stay very far from here in Silicon Valley or any part of America, but in our own neighborhood. Maybe some of you knows them as well. They have seen many ups and downs in their life, but today they are very successful and famous. I would like to quote, first one is Mr. Sujit Singh, founder of Udan and many other startups. I'm not sure how many of you know about Udan, but Udan has a valuation of more than $10 billion as on today. And they started only 4 years back. So Sujit Singh, while he was studying, he even struggled to pay his IIT fees. And see today where he is. He is a billionaire today at the age of 40 years. He celebrated his birthday only last month, 40th birthday. But at the same time, he's very humble, down to earth, and always willing to give back to the society. Friends, this feeling of giving back to the society is the most important one, and today I want to emphasize on this factor alone. Another example I want to give you is about Manish Mundra. Many of you will know his daughter Disha Mundra. She is a member with the Interact Club. Manish is the perfect example of ups and downs. He comes from a small town called Devgarh in Jharkhand, where there is a famous Shiva temple. During his early days, he used to sell soft drinks on the roadside to the devotees, but he never gave up in life. And today, because of his hard work, he is the CEO of Indorama Chemicals and Fertilizers, earning a fat salary with so many zeros that I don't even remember. He is a filmmaker who has won 5 national awards already for his movies. But the most important quality that I want to highlight here, he never forgets to give it back to the society. Remember, when he was struggling, he faced the hardship and the difficult times in life. He never gave up, did whatever was right, and today, because of all this, he is where he dreamed to be. But at the same time, he never forgets his difficult time and is always eager to help the needy. He has been regularly donating funds to many organizations, including Rotary. During this COVID pandemic alone, he spent more than rupees 10 crores to provide equipment to the hospitals, arranging food, transportation, medicines, etc. Another couplet in Hindi I want to dedicate to all of you, which says, Love's aine hai. Love means words. Aina means mirror. Love's aine hai, mat ine uchhal ke chalo. Adab ki raah mili hai. Adab means respectful. अदब की राह मिली है, देखभाल के चलो, मिली है जिंदगी तुम्हें बस इसी मकसद से, संभालो खुद को और दूसरों को भी संभाल के चलो. I want to read another 2 lines. जमीन पर रखकर आसमान को छूने की फितरत है मेरी, पर गिरा कर किसी को ऊपर उठने का शौक नहीं मुझे. Both these diaries have 2 different meanings. One is that you have to aim high, become successful in life, but at the same time need to help others, help the downtrodden, needy. And the second one is never use somebody to come up in life. Never abuse somebody to come up in life. So Rotary stands for service above self. Here, I want to give the Rotary slogan a different angle. After all, what we do at Rotary is primarily for ourselves, to give ourselves a fuller and more enriching life by helping the needy around us. There's a famous old Hindi song which matches the Rotary vision. It says, "Apne liye jiye to kya jiye, to jiye dil jamane ke liye." A successful professional not only knows how to make money, but also knows how to spend money in a wise way. When you earn few crores of rupees, that is your money. But when you have more money, I think that is not your money. That is the trust that society and the Almighty God showed it on you, that they believe you can spend the money better and at a place where it creates more value and where it makes more sense. That is where the vision of Rotary becomes very important, which says service above self. I again want to give you an example of our own Rotarian Ravi Shankar Dakoju. He's from Bangalore. He was my co-president 2018-19. He's a perfect example of a person who has seen ups and downs in life, became a millionaire, and then donated rupees 100 crores to Rotary Foundation via single check, and which is around 80% of his wealth. We cannot see any perfect example than Rotarian Ravi Shankar Dakoju. And if time permits, sometime in one of your program, I would like to invite him to address you guys. He's a great source of inspiration, and you all will love to hear him. Lastly, I have one message and one promise to take from all of you today. The best way to not feel hopeless is to get up and do something. Don't wait for good things to happen to you. If you go out and make some good things happen, you will feel the world with hope. You will feel yourself with hope. There is no exercise better for the heart than reaching down and lifting people up. You have not lived today until you have done something for someone who can never repay you. Guys, come up in life with your hard work, but never ever forget to help someone who is in need. Wish you all the best in life, and thanks for giving me an opportunity to be with the youths today. I wish Rotary Club of Palmville my heartiest congratulations once again. Thank you, everybody.
Thank you so much, sir, for the valuable advice and motivating us to do better with all those examples that you gave us. I'm sure all of us are pumped now to do a lot more better this coming year.
Thank you. Thank you.
I would also like to recognize the presence of ZRR Prajwal and ZRR Amok, who has joined us. And now I request President Kaushik to take over.
Thank you, Ayappa. I now request Rotary President Rotarian Sumitra Ghosh to share a few words with us.
Yeah, so first of all, excellent speech, Ritesh, and I always used to pull Ritesh's leg that he's a better poet than an interior designer. Not that he's a bad interior designer, but he's great when he composes all of that. And mind you, this is all his original stuff, okay? So thanks, Ritesh, for setting the context. Mine won't be so interesting as what Ritesh made out to be. But I just wanted to give 2 or 3 perspectives from my side. And this is just to, I'm sure you guys will do an excellent job. I just wanted to share 2 or 3 important, perspectives from my side, so that becomes your job easier. And I saw your presentations. I saw what you're planning to do for the year. So my 2, 3, suggestions are a little bit on the process part. Second is in terms of priorities, and third is very important, how Rotary and Rotaract and maybe even Interact, we engage much more and we integrate much more, right? So from a process perspective, today we had so many board members coming on board. So one very simple thing I would request you is, please understand exactly what your role is, right? It may sound mundane, but get educated. I'm sure there's a lot of training you guys also go through, like what Rotary is. So please understand what your role is and what your deliverable is. That is one. Second is, while you have made your plan, right, please try and, break this plan into specific time periods. Maybe in the corporate world, we call it quarters. Now you may make it 3 months, 4 months, whatever. But I think break it into time pieces so that your plan is not back-ended. It should not be that you are scrambling at the end of the year to achieve your goals. So break it into maybe 4 quarters and execute based on that. Third is, and I'm sure your president would be doing it, is have a proper governance system, right? In the sense that, just periodically take stock of the progress, right? Because, and for measuring progress, have some metrics around it, right? Because something which doesn't have a metric is very difficult to be measured. And if something cannot be measured, you might as well not do it. Because ultimately, you do want to show progress, right? And the other one in terms of process is, and I saw your club services director, and what important thing I remembered out of, I forget the name, but she was a cricketer as well. So that's good because I'm very passionate about cricket. So it's very important for the club services director to make your club healthy, right? And you hence carry a big responsibility in terms of running the club efficiently. So please have a proper club calendar, right? Maybe you come out with a structure that, the first Sunday, assuming Sunday is when you guys meet, first Sunday what you should be doing, second Sunday what you should be doing, third Sunday what you should be doing, fourth Sunday what you should be doing. When I say should be doing, meaning in your club meetings, right? So have a club calendar, publish it in advance, and ensure that you adhere to that club calendar, right? So these were from the process perspective. In terms of priorities, right, of the actual job, I think 2 things are important. And again, these are no-brainers, but I just wanted to reinforce that just like any Rotary club, the same, I guess, applies to the Rotaract club, but maybe there may be fine-tuning to it. But I think like every Rotary club, for a Rotaract club too, membership is very, very important, right? So it is with the growth of membership, it comes the growth of the club. But just ensure that you also engage the members. It should not be that you add 20 members, but at the end of the year, you realize that 5 members drop out because they found themselves not too engaged. So focus on both, focus on adding new members, also focus on doing enough stuff and engaging them in various projects, etc., in terms of engagement. So one is membership. The second is projects, right? And in projects, my only advice would be that, guys, you will always have, a finite amount of volunteers and you will have a finite amount of money. So when that is the scenario, it is always better to focus on few specific things than try and do a whole lot of things, and you scatter the money and scatter the resources which you have. So, but just stepping back, whatever we do, you should make an impact. You should make a long-lasting impact. There's no point doing small things, just for the sake of doing things. Do few things, but do it properly, do it in scale, and ensure that whatever you do makes an impact, right? So when you choose projects, choose it carefully that, I am able to deploy my resources most optimally. And the third one, which I think is specific to you guys, is leadership building. Because frankly, I look at you guys, and again, a very cricket analogy is you guys are the under-19 team. And tomorrow you're going to come into the adult team, right? And you are seeing, the people who succeeded. Virat himself was the under-19 captain, and he won the under-19 trophy, international trophy for India. And he became such a huge success. Similarly, IPL, you see that that's the platform of a whole lot of young guys. Most of them will be under 19, right? So you have tremendous opportunity in terms of learning, right, in this particular role of yours, and you can become successful leaders tomorrow. So that is one. The other one is, and you guys are much, much smarter than, we all. So, and you will definitely be much more fun-loving. So I need not tell you, but have the right balance between fellowship and projects, right? Because that's very important. And the fundamental of fellowship is that, the people bond together, right? And having bonded, they will be great team players in terms of executing your projects together. So there is a fairly good science behind, Rotary, as you know, started as fellowship and graduated into projects. And the reason for that was people realized that having done enough of fellowship, there are a lot of friends and acquaintances which have got created. And because of that, there is a lot of, bonding which has got created. So why not do service projects and give it back to the society, as Ritesh said, and to execute those projects successfully, nothing like a very well-bonded team, right? So that's the second in terms of priorities. The third one, which I wanted to mention, and right from day one, in fact, I've been chasing Rinki because we do a weekly stock take. And when I do the stock take with her, actually I spend time in terms of, and the last time we were supposed to do about a week back along with Rishabh, was, how can we do two things, right? One is ensure that there is alignment, and the other is there is integration. So when I say alignment, when we are forming a org structure in Rotary, if not identical, but there should be a similar clean org structure in Rotaract. If we are saying that there are goals and objectives with each of the members in Rotary in the board, similarly there should be goals and objectives in Rotaract for each of the board members. If we are having a governance meeting, every Saturday, besides the club meetings on Sunday, I leave it to them when they want to do, but there should be a weekly governance meeting or a stock take meeting or a review meeting, whatever you want to call, right? But do it on a weekly basis, right? So that is what I mean by alignment. What I mean by integration is, while we do not want, absolutely we do not want the freedom which agile unit like a Rotaract or even an Interact enjoys, but we would love it to be much more integrated than what it has been in the past. So when I say integration, I don't mind coming and sitting in your meetings and getting a hang of what you guys are doing. Reverse is also true, right? I don't mind you guys coming and sitting in our meeting and finding out, what we are doing, so that we are on the same page. In fact, even when it is projects, I've told Rinki, why don't we get somebody from the road tracks to come and be formal team members in our projects? And we don't mind doing the reverse as well, that in your projects, somebody from the Rotary is also part of your team. So it is integration as well, right? And the more we integrate, the more we will actually get aligned. So those are the three things I wanted to talk about. One was process, the second was priority, and the third was alignment and integration. I just wanted to again reinforce that I'm very, very confident that you've got a great president. I'm very, very confident that you guys have a great board. I was really impressed with whatever you guys have already done and whatever you guys have planned. I am sure that this team will deliver some awesome results. From our side, let me assure you that whatever help, whatever support you guys need from us, we will back you to the hilt. So all the best to you guys once again.
Thank you, sir, for that amazing speech actually. And we will come to Rotary for everything that we need, and we will call you for our meetings as well. Can you share the screen, please? Yeah. So the floor is now open for announcements from clubs and individuals. But first, we would like to hear a few words from our Youth Service Director, Rotarian Rinki Srivastava.
Thank you, Kaushik. First of all, congratulations to Charter President Kaushik and his team, his young and dynamic team. I really love the way they work. So I've been seeing them for the last 2 months. They've done some amazing work. I love their enthusiasm. They are very, very organized in whatever they do. And it's a very motivated team of youngsters who know what they're doing. So each one takes up their responsibility. And whatever job they are assigned, they do it to the best of their ability. And they've done very well till now. And so I would like to wish them all the very best for this coming year. And I hope to see some good, impactful projects from them. And whatever you do, Kaushik, and your entire team, whatever you choose to do, whatever kind of projects you are doing or you wish to do with us, we are always there to support you. You know that I'm always there whenever you need me. And you can always approach me for whatever guidance you need, and in whatever way we can support you, we will. So all the very best to this young team, and hope to have a very successful year with all of you. Looking forward to working with you all. Thank you.
Thank you, ma'am, for those kind words. Now I would like the ZRR, Protractor Prajwal M, to share a few words with us.
Prajwal isn't here, so I'll take the honor of addressing on behalf of both Prajwal and myself. So first of all, congratulations to your team for a wonderful installation, and wish to tell you a small quote or whatever I feel with respect to seeing the way in which you people are functioning. So a child always learns to walk after certain falls, and talking also takes a lot of time. So you have just chartered. That means you are still in the infant stage. And as an administrator, what I would like to tell you is have patience while growing, but grow consistently. It's okay if things are not right in the first attempt, but it's not okay to give up. So don't give up, keep growing consistently. I have seen a great interest amongst you all to learn things. Kaushik especially, I still remember we had 2-hour long talk from 11 p.m. to 1 a.m. in the night with respect to installation. That shows the commitment in which the president works. And Rishabh and Ayappa are also very close to me since these few months, and I've been seeing the way in which they have understood what road traction is. It's all about the process of understanding and accepting. The commitment which you have shown is great, and the determination to serve the society in such a young age. As Sir was mentioning, you all are so young. In a sense, you don't have those who are 28, 29 in your club yet. You all have those who are within the bracket of 24 and below that. So that's a volcano of energy, but see that it is utilized in the best and the most intelligent way possible. Ensure sustainability. There are so many institutions or organizations which sprout up and shine for a few days and then drop down because they have got exhausted. Sir was also mentioning the same thing. Ensure sustainability in everything which you do. And I'm really happy you have accepted to brand your projects. When I spoke about it, that immediately you took up the challenge of telling, yes, we are going to brand it. Let's have a name. Let's take continuation of these particular projects for the upcoming years. So that is also a wonderful thing. So I would like to end my talk with giving you 3 E's. Engage your retractors, explore different opportunities, allow them to express their ideas, elaborate to them and guide them whenever you are trying to do something as a president, as a secretary, as a club advisor. And finally, evaluate the growth of your club and leave a benchmark and also an example. That is a 6th one. But I would also like to add it, leave an example for others to follow in the same thing. Thank you so much.
Thank you, Protractor Srinidhi, for those advice. But I will take up that advice. I will do whatever exactly you mentioned. If there's any other Rotractors, Rotarians who would like to present a few club announcements, the floor is yours.
Hey Kaushik, this is Rotractor Joseph. Not an announcement, just wishes from my end. So congratulations to you and the entire team. So all the very best for this wonderful year. I've been seeing you guys from the orientation. I was there for your orientation in the beginning. So yes, the enthusiasm in the entire team is like superb. So keep up the same momentum throughout the year. You guys are doing excellent. I've been seeing on the social media, the PR work that you guys do is excellent. So all the projects that you guys did in the last 2 months. So keep up the same spirit, and all the new members and everyone, congratulations for being a part of this wonderful organizations. You've taken the right decision. So, and keep growing in the same path. Keep learning. So that's the only thing that you can do being in Rotrack. Keep learning and keep growing. So all the very best to the entire team.
Thank you, Joseph. Thank you, Rotractor Joseph. Yes, I do remember that you were there for orientation.
Thank you, guys.
Thank you for coming up to say a few words. Thank you for being here today.
Thank you. All the best, man. Thank you.
Thank you. I now request Secretary Ayappa to convey the vote of thanks.
Thank you, Kaushik. It's been a splendid evening and I enjoyed every bit of it. I'm sure all of the members at Rotrack Palmville are proud to be part of Rotrack and especially to be part of the Palmville family. I would like to extend our thanks to AG Rotarian Ritesh Goel sir for gracing our event. I would also extend my thanks to DRR Rotractor Rajwamshi, District Secretary Rotractor Arun Teja, ZRR Rotractor Prajwal, ZRR Joseph, ZRR Amok for joining us today. And also special thanks to our ZRR of the Zone Chalukya, Rotractor Srinidhi, for your generous and unfailing support and always being there for us whenever we needed it. Finally, I thank our parent Rotary Club President, Rotarian Sumitra Ghosh, and Youth Services Director, Rotarian Rinki Srivastav, for your constant support and blessings. And I also thank a lot of other presidents from different clubs who have joined us. Rotractor Lavanya, Rotractor Rahul, Rotractor Pramod, Rotractor Samath, and then Rotractor Akshay from PESU and also Rotractor Akshay from Indranagar, President Rotractor Manjula, and also all of the participants who have joined us together today. So A hearty thank you to everyone who attended the event, and also would be grateful for your support on our journey. And to my dear team, together we can win the world. Let's do it. Thank you. Now I request President Kaushik to adjourn the meeting.
Thank you, Rotaract Ayappa, for the vote of thanks. The installation ceremony of Rotaract Bangalore Palmville is now adjourned. Thank you for joining us on this special day. The meeting will be ending now.
Congrats, Kaushik.
Thank you.
Excellent meeting, and it ended dot on time. And this punctuality is very important. I think the 4 minutes that you exceeded is because of me. I think I must have exceeded my time limit when I was giving my speech.
Ritesh sir, thank you so much for gracing this occasion and accepting this invitation. Thank you, and your speech was very endearing, sir.
Thank you.
Always look up to you, and mentorship is much appreciated always. Thank you, and
you are a sweetheart, buddy. Thank you very much.
Also,
thank you,
thank
sir.
you to
Thank you.
Rishabh for your
sir.
for all your
Bye.
support.
Bye, all of you. See you soon.
We'll have a pic before you could leave. We'll have a pic. Probably all of you can switch on your video and we can take a quick screenshot of today's event.
Yeah. Is everyone? Yeah.
Ritesh sir is not seen, sir. We wish to see
want
you
me to-
too. Yes, of course. You are the gem of today.
They're taking a photograph.
Oh, I thought he wants me to switch off my video.
Yeah,
There's still a lot of people without the video on.
Yes.
Guys, come on. Don't be anonymous.
Yes, there we can see some.
That's better.
Yes. Yes, one more.
Yeah. Kian, you are the only one left out. I don't want to put you on a spot, but that's okay. Okay, go ahead.
Yeah.
Whoever wants to take the picture.
Yeah, we'll take a look.
Taken almost 15 pictures. 15 probably more. Thank you everyone for joining us today.
Great show, guys.
All the best, guys.
Thank you.
Thank you. Thank you. Thank you so much. Bye.
Very good
Thank you so much.
installation, and I could see few of the presidents of the other clubs here who are going to take back a lot of lessons of today's installation of how they can run theirs. So good job. So with the permission of Rotary President and our Charter President, we can end this installation of today.
Yeah. We can. Thank you.
Thank you. Thank you so much.
Bye-bye.
Thank you. Bye-bye.
Thank you.